Travis. I don't know what to say, man. I'm just so grateful that I got to work on this project for you. This has been the journey of a lifetime with this amp. From the moment I realized that the same Fender factory tech from the 60s who had serviced this amp twice had also serviced my old or former 66 Super Reverb. From that moment, I knew this would be a special and very sentimental project. But dude, I gotta tell you right now, man, that I'm so appreciative that you allowed me to have a bit of carte blanche on this. A bit of a blank slate, a clean sheet. You gave me, oh, there we go. You gave me the latitude I needed to really express myself through this particular project, and I appreciate it. And that expression has been centered around what is the normal channel, or now the abnormal channel. So all the classic sounds are still there. Let's bring her up. So like 4. Single coil stuff. It's gone. There it is. See that? It's just big magnetic field stuff there. Lovely sounding amp. So here's your normal channel. Typical AB763 fare. I did modify the screen supply and work a little other magic avenues to create some additional touch sensitivity. Let's see if we can get a little bit more gain. Lovely overtones, huh? All right. So let's kick in a little bit of gain. Incredibly expressive amp. Love it. Lovely amp. It's everything you love about the lower power Blackface amps and everything you love about the high power ones. All in one amp. Just run an AB pedal. You have high gain Marshall meets classic Fender. And I'm talking classic high gain Marshall. I'm just so close to this monster transformer. See that? There we go. Thank you, Travis. Made my year, buddy.